Students, so in the previous video, the last topic which we have learned was preparation of food. In today's video, which is the part 5th video, we are going to start the topic which is different food habits. So there are many people who are categorized between their various eating habits, and the peoples can be categorized in vegetarians and non-vegetarians. So the people who eat fruits, vegetables, no meat, eggs, or are called as vegetarians. The people, now let's talk about the non-vegetarian. The peoples who eat meat, fish, eggs along with the vegetables, food grains and fruits are called as non-vegetarian. Let's talk the next topic, which is junk food. Fried or oil rich foodstuffs are very tasty but are unhealthy for us. For example, samosa, potato chips, pizza, burger, etc. We know it very well that these eating habits makes us frequently fat, which our body carries the bad fat. So these junk food are unhealthy for us and we have to avoid them. The next topic is healthy ways of cooking food. So to retain the nutritive value of the food, we must remember the following things. अब अगर हमें न्यूट्रिशन की वैल्यू फूड में रहने देनी है, उसको अपनी बॉडी में अब्जॉर्ब कराना है, तो हमें कुछ बातों का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. आई एम रीडिंग दोज पॉइंट्स फॉर यू. ऑलवेज cook food in pan covered with the lid and cook it on the slow fire. We have to keep a lid on the pan and then we have to cook it on the slow fire. Do not wash vegetables and fruits after cutting. You know it very well. Do not overcook or boil the food while cooking, because overheating leads to the loss of nutrients. So the next topic is food preservation. So food is precious. We all know food is the most precious thing in this world. Food can get spoiled due to many reasons such as insects, bacteria, fungi, moisture and dust. So we know it very well that foods has to be preserved. The excessive of food should not be spoiled and thrown away. So let us discuss the various methods of preserving the food, which are refrigerating it. Cooked food, raw vegetables, fruit, meat, fish and milks can be preserved by refrigerator by keeping them in the low temperature. So you know it very well, your parents keep the excessive of the food inside the refrigerator for protecting it, for preserving it. Next point is salting or pickling. Some food items like raw mango, tamarind, tomato and fish can be preserved by putting them in salt and dry in the sun. Okay, the next point we'll start is putting in sugar solution. Some food can be preserved by preserving them in the sugar solution. For example, jam, jelly, murabba. You know it very well. Next point is, and the last point of this chapter is sun drying. Some food items are simply dried in the sun after chopping or even when intact. फॉर एग्जाम्पल रेजन्स, यू नो इट वेरी वेल. क्या होता है कि अंगूरों को जब ड्राई कर दिया जाता है, जब ग्रेप्स को हम लोग ड्राई कर देते हैं तो वो रेजन्स का फॉर्म ले लेता है. ठीक है, ड्राई अनियंस and peas. So that's all for the chapter. We have completed the first chapter and now we'll start question answers as well as exercises in the next part of the attachments.